If you've been carrying around stress, fear, or old stories around money, this Healing Money Wounds meditation is here to gently guide you back into safety, trust, and abundance. This is a space to release scarcity, soften emotional blocks, and reconnect with your natural worth. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale, letting the weight of the day melt away. Allow your body to settle, supported, held, safe in this moment. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Now imagine standing in a quiet, open field just before sunrise. The air is soft. The sky painted in hues of lavender, gold, and gentle blue. This field represents your relationship with money. Notice what's here without judgment. Old beliefs, inherited fears, moments of lack or pressure. You don't need to relive them. Just acknowledge them with compassion. See these memories as wisps of mist floating in the air. They were formed during times when you were simply trying to survive. Now imagine a warm, golden light rising with the sun. This light carries safety, clarity, and calm. As it touches the mist, it doesn't force it away. It gently dissolves it, naturally, effortlessly. Place a hand over your heart, another over your solar plexus. This is where money wounds often live, tied to worth, power, and security. Breathe golden light into these spaces. With each inhale, feel reassurance. With each exhale, feel release. Silently repeat, I am safe to receive. I am worthy beyond numbers. Money can flow to me with ease and integrity. Now visualize money as a calm, flowing river, not rushing, not scarce, simply moving, steady, abundant, alive. You are no longer chasing the river. You are standing beside it, allowing it to meet you. Feel the shift from tension to trust, from fear to partnership. Let this knowing settle into your nervous system. You can heal and expand at the same time. When you're ready, take one final deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently return, carrying this new relationship with abundance back into your day.